Hello, For Lit Sky community. What is up? Today is Healthy Living Monday. This is For Lits and I am back in the kitchen. I've got a keto fish patties recipe and I'm using codfish this time. Usually I use salmon, however, I don't have salmon today, so why not choose what I have, which is the codfish. This keto codfish patty cake is delicious with my tartar sauce recipe. Let's get started. I am swapping breadcrumbs with almond flour to make this recipe keto. A half cup of almond flour, pour unsweetened plain organic almond milk, just enough to make it wet and mushy, and let it soak for 5 minutes. Then grab your food processor and codfish in about 2 pounds. 1 cage-free organic egg, add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil or mayo, 2 teaspoons of tamari soy sauce, a pinch of Himalayan salt, a half teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, some caper berries. Then I will add a whole zest of lemon and half a fresh lemon juice. Now add the almond flour hydrated from the almond milk and let's process in a food processor. Rip some parsley and add to the mixture and process into a food processor. Here you go guys. Before frying, let us set aside the mixture and cover it in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. While in the fridge, let's prepare the tartar sauce. It starts with half mayonnaise and half yogurt, fresh lemon, horseradish, dill relish, salt and pepper, and the last one is chives or spring onions. In a bowl, combine half a cup of avocado oil or mayonnaise and half a cup of yogurt, zest of half of the lemon, and the fresh juice of half of lemon, a bit of horseradish, and about teaspoon of dill that is sugar-free. Add a little bit of salt and pepper, and finely sliced chives or onion leaves for the herbs. And then mix them to the bowl and taste to check for seasoning. Push aside and let's fry our codfish patty. In a non-stick pan, preheat it over medium heat. Pour some olive oil and form the patties here. Grab some of the mixture, form like a large golf ball. Put them into the pan like this. Carefully smash them into a thin patty, then fry them for about 5 minutes and then flip them. Okay, so let's flip the fish cod cake. Perfect. Let's plate up a dish with some of the tartar sauce. Start with some green on the plate. It could be lettuce or green salad, but I prefer lettuce. Codfish cake right here, and pour some homemade tartar sauce on top. And drizzle it with cilantro. There is it, you guys. Keto juicy codfish cake with a dairy-free tartar sauce. It's easy and it is tasty. Let's eat! And that's it for today, guys. See you next time. Please subscribe to my channel, The Four Lit Sky.